everyone, welcome back. So, Auto point of sale dashboard just got a visual upgrade of the development build, and honestly, it's pretty simple change. Like you can see that from once you guys are opening it. So, but I think it's a nice one. Let me show you what actually different compared to Odoo 19. So here I'm at the 19 dashboard of the point of sale. So from here onwards, what the things that you can see, like each shop, furniture shop, clothes shop, bakery, restaurant, and everything is there, such as the normal thing. It's just a plain card. Open the register button, like you can see, and it also showing the closing balance, and there we have the date and what is the correct amount and ongoing orders, that kind of things, right? So it's a natural and normal thing and it work fine, but it's just all numbers. Like there is nothing telling you how sales are actually trending throughout the day. But once if I'm coming into Odoo 20, that we can expect that will be in Odoo 20 and there is a masters. So I'll show you. I'm removing this one and moving on to the masters. And if I'm zooming in, from here onwards, you can see a little bit of change that is happens inside the point of sale. Is there we have some kind of visual treat. Okay. So I'm going to explain each and every one. So from here onwards, now you can check the same dashboard. It's the master branch, like the same information still there, like the open register, opening balance is there, and opening control is there. But there is also this little live graph setting is right on the card. There you can see this is the little graph, and from there onwards, you can see what happened inside the August month and what is the sales last in the 7 days. Okay, so that's a huge difference that happens inside the point of sales. Look at the furniture shop. First of all, there you can see it. You can see this line just curving upwards, right? So from here to there itself, it's curving upwards. And you can see there we have the restaurant as well. So from on this particular thing, there you can see this is also got one climbing pretty sharply too. Like you can see this is from there itself. So on the August 26th and the August 27th, you can see the sales that happen inside the last 7 days also be returned in there. So it's basically a little sales momentum chart right there on the dashboard, but no need to open any separate reporting session. So what you guys are doing in Odoo 19 versions, what you guys are going to do, like you're moving on to the reporting session, and under that particular report, you can see the orders report and the session report, each and everything. You just need to move on to the session report and see what happens inside it. So you can provide the session report and you can also print it. But from in the Odoo point of sales, like in the 20 onwards, let's expect something big is there, like this kind of trend, like a visual trend will be there. So you can see that the graph representation and you can find what will be happening on this particular time. So why this is actually matters is, I know this is sound like just a small visual tweak for you guys, but it's actually a kind of useful thing. Like instead of just seeing a flat opening balance or an order count, you get that instant sense of, okay, the shop is going to picking up. Is this in flat or is this in slow down? You can see what is happening there. So all just from glancing at the dashboard itself. And if you are running multiple POS shop at once, like this kind of things, like they we have a lot of POS sessions, right? So this means you can quickly tell which one's having a good day, which one might need a look, without having to click into each other one separately. So you can simply analyze each and every kind of sales trend from the dashboard itself. So that's it. That's the main update that is happen, and we can expect that will be there in Odoo 20 point of sale itself. So I just want to give you a simple tip and trick. Like if you are a shop owner, like you are just running up a shop inside your locality, like a furniture shop or a restaurant thing, and you just need to update sorry, you just not need to update, you just need to get all the information about your shop. using a report session, or you just need to see what is the sales that have been done inside the company, and is this customers is okay, and you just need to know about all the information, but you don't have a particular system. Like in every time, the business owners can't even carry a laptop wherever they are going. So instead of just looking for a laptop, from now onwards, we Cybrosys introduced Mobo, which is a mobile suite for Odoo. I know that you guys are taking your phones, that you guys are going everywhere, because that's an inevitable part of our daily life. Like if you guys are just opening a WhatsApp or Instagram to get the updates like that, in a simple way, you can also get the update about your business without just calling to the salesperson or the cashier of your company. You can do whatever the things using a mobile phone. You can check the report, you can move on to the configuration. If you want to update anything, change anything, you can do that. Okay, so you can get this particular app, which is Mobo, from the App Store and the Play Store itself, and I just give a proper link of them to get easy off your process. So go and check it out now and let me know your valuable experience, because I just need them. Okay, and your suggestion as well, because we are really considering your what the suggestions, the opinions, or each and every kind of comments. Okay, so please go and comment down below. I'll be very happy to answer it as well. And I just know one more thing. I just want to know one more thing. Like, if you like this video and if you guys need some kind of like what we can say, the updates that we can expect inside Odoo 20, please do comment down below as well. Like what in which kind of module that you need. There we have a difference in there or not. So please do comment down below. I'll be very happy. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with the different kind of expected features that we can see inside Odoo 20, and let me review all such kind of things for you guys. So that's all about this video. So till the next video, bye bye.